Allow me to finish this so I can speak in Ekegusi. It's also worthy observing that in this financial year, my government has allocated 20 million as capitation funding to vocational training centers across the 45 wards. This will greatly boost vocational education. Besides, I distributed bursary to deserving students in our VTCs in the year of 2023-2024 financial year. And these necessitated a child from a poor background attain a practical skill essential in a job market. More bursaries will be issued this year. And I want to say, because I know people, they are anxious, the issues of bursary, I want to assure you now, we are going to give bursary forms next week. Therefore, ask your parents and those ones who are outside there that next week they will avail themselves in our ward offices to be issued with the forms na wajaze. Na hakuna biashara kwamba MCA ameficha. MCA, their work, actually they are oversighting. Hakuna MCA anaficha form. Wewe kwenda pale, pewa form, jaza, give the right information. And this roundup, we have decided, we'll get information of all the students from the Ministry of Education. Our Minister of Education, CS Ogamba, is ready to partner with us to make sure we have gotten the best, given that he is our own son. Na yuko tayari na lazima tusaidiane kwa sababu hapo ndiye anatoka, lazima mambo ifanyike. Kwa hivyo tumeongea na yeye, including the partnership of these universities, because the discussion we had around the University of Kisii had to market Kisii University. I was being asked, how many universities do you have in your account? You know, like one, it has 18 universities. Shanghai, I don't know, it has 20-something universities. Therefore, they were asking how many universities. I had to say, we have many universities, Kisii University, and lazima ujipange. Kuna mambo kidogo walifanya, I don't want to mention them here, na mtayaona, but we have agreed. I'm talking to the Professor Ogech and the Minister himself. We want to see how we can have our students in those universities. If we can't have them, we'll have those programs offered here so that our people, they can be competitive. Our children can be competitive worldwide. If you check with the one polytechnic, wako mpaka na ndege kwa uwanja, wanafunzi polytechnic. Think about the mambo ya university. I can't remember. It is in a Shanghai University. A professor has come up with a new discovery on how to deal with cancer. They are developing that university. They are ready to partner with us. The only problem they had is when they travel. There is a team which came and went to Nyaore. They spent a whole day driving from Nairobi. You know, I wanted them to see the beauty of the country, but I found that was actually our undoing. They said, no way, people can be on the road. Cows crisscrossing, border. Now they were very disturbed. But now I assured them we have an airport here in Migori. They said, how many hours? I told them it's only 45 minutes. They said they are ready. You remember we had to have a function at Nyaore at 7 when we cannot even see each other because there was no even proper lighting.